In this video, I will explain you how I got 180,000 subscribers in 8 months with YouTube Shorts. First and most important, I developed a habit of posting 3 to 5 shorts every day. That's the most important part. My tactic was to post on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. Unfortunately, my TikTok grew only to around 6,000 subscribers while YouTube went basically viral. Now I will share the actual ways I grew fast on YouTube Shorts. The biggest difference between Shorts and TikTok is that YouTube wants your videos to be as long as possible with high retention. On TikTok you can go super viral with 5 to 10 second videos as well. My most viral videos on Shorts are at least 40 seconds long and the retention is around 80%. This means that YouTube rewards content that keeps people watching for as long as possible. And this actually makes sense because all social media platforms basically fight for attention and your time. And if your content brings more eyes and keeps them on the platform, it has to go viral. Second aspect is creating 3 to 5 videos every day, and the easiest way you can do it is just by creating your first videos as simple as you can. You can create a question style videos just asking about trending topics like ChatGPT, Andrew Tate, Apple VR glasses. This way you will get so many comments and people are more likely to be involved with the latest trends. Second way to create easy content is just borrowing ideas from other creators and their viral content. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just express your own thoughts about the same subjects other creators are talking about. Third way you can create more content is checking the latest news and creating videos about the recent stuff that is happening. Fourth way is to create content around a specific niche so people who are interested in the topic will actually stay subscribed because they see that you keep creating content about the topic they are interested in. The easiest way I grew my YouTube channel with Shorts is by making reaction videos. I specifically created around topics like artificial intelligence because it has been the biggest trend in the last year. AI videos brought me millions of views. Many creators have grown their following base to millions of subscribers just by creating funny, entertaining joke videos. So if you think you are funny, you could do the same. One important aspect that works as well is to make high quality content with an actual DSLR camera. You can get that amazing blur behind you, which is quite impossible with smartphone cameras. People will more likely subscribe to you if they see that you have a great quality look to your videos. The last advice, probably the most important one, is add captions to all of your Shorts videos. There's an actual crazy statistic that around 60% of people that watch Shorts videos watch them without sound. This means you have to add captions so people actually stay and watch your videos. Otherwise, they will just skip it. And it has been proven that videos with captions helps us keep our attention longer. So I recommend creating colorful and moving captions that grab the attention as well. So this is basically how I grew my YouTube channel with Shorts from 0 to 180,000 in 8 months. And I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe, press thumbs up, and thanks for watching.